Hello? Is anyone there? Hello?
Hello, good morning. Can you hear me?
Morning, sir. Why so late?
Actually, I was sleeping, right? So I got little bit late to wake up. Means
Okay.
actually I wake up at 3 a.m. Okay, and I was having classes for 4 regular classes. Then my head was aching a lot. So I
Okay.
thought of taking some rest. In between that, I just got late by 5 minutes.
Okay.
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 So yes. Actually, that's why the problem is that if the class would be at 9:30, then I should have gone in a stress, right?
Yeah.
But when we get some free time, we basically feel like taking some rest, and in between that we get late to wake up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So today, what we will discuss? Did you remember? So have you
Sorry, sir.
completed
I
your
can't hear you.
hello?
Sorry, sir. I can't hear you.
Now am I audible to you?
Right. Yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah.
Okay. So have you completed the homework? Have I given you some homework in the last class?
Last class. What homework did you give?
Okay. Actually, I am taking lot of classes, right? So I couldn't remember that. Have I given you the homework?
I don't think so.
Okay. Not an issue. Okay. So
Okay.
today what we will do, we will learn some more new tech concepts. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what was taught in the last class? Can you just tell me
In the last,
how many tags we have discussed?
like 5 tags, I think it was I tag, strong tag, sub tag, S tag.
Very good. So we have discussed about so many things, right? Correct.
Yeah.
So today we will learn two more things. One is three, four new things. One is known
Okay.
as large text, how to create large text, how to create smaller text, and how
Mm-hmm.
to create marked text, and how to group text. Okay.
Okay.
So we will learn those things. So for that, let me open my Quinn first of all. Here comes Quinn, and let me share it. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see, sir. Yeah.
Very good. Thank you. So you see here, So we will be discussing, we have discussed all these things, right?
Yeah.
Okay, do you know how to give extra boldness to text? So either we can use B or strong.
Yeah.
For writing mathematical functions like a square plus b square, which tag can be used? It should be sub, okay?
Yeah.
For writing underline text, which tag can be used? It should be U. Will giving a del tag, the text tag will get removed. The tag, the text will not be removed, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now we will learn how we can increase our font, okay? So basically, I have told you this thing in the last class itself. Suppose there is a paragraph.
Uh,
Suppose there is a paragraph,
yeah.
and inside this paragraph, I will write something. Suppose I will write like this, okay? So you see, by default, you will see this much amount of font size, right?
Yeah.
But what we can do, we can change the font size. What we will do, we will write okay, style. I told you in the last class itself, I think.
Yeah.
Style is equal to what is that command? That is font size, okay?
Yeah.
Font size. Then what I have to write? Tell me.
Something px
So what is px? Do you know?
pixels.
Yes, it is known as pixels. Very good. So you will see the text will be a little bit bigger, right?
Yeah.
So this is the first way. Now you see what will happen if I will add a small tag here, okay?
Okay.
So you see now the R is reduced, correct?
Yeah.
So the size of this how and R are different. Can you see that?
Yeah, I can see. Yeah.
So we can also create like this. Suppose there is a text, there is a text. So basically we see this type of thing in ads, right? Some text are in small size, some texts are in bigger size. So to create this, those types of things, what we can do, we can use a small tag, okay?
Okay.
So whichever text we want to make small, we will use the small just before that and just after that. Understood?
Okay. Yeah.
So we discussed about these two things, okay? Then we have also discussed about how to create emphasized text. Now we will discuss about how to create mark tag, okay? Whenever you are opening a file, always save it, okay? This. So now you see, we will learn how to create a mark tag, okay? So again, we will create a paragraph. I will create a paragraph, and then what I will do, I will write something, happy coding, okay? Happy HTML coding, okay? Then I will close this paragraph, okay? So now you see, I just want to mark this HTML. So how I will mark? I will use the mark tag, okay? So what will happen? It will be marked with some color like this. Default color is yellow. Got it?
Okay.
So we can use the mark tag to mark the HTML. Any part of the HTML part, any part of the place we can mark it. Okay. Either we can mark the whole thing or we can mark the any limited thing which we wish to mark. So we discussed about three things: font size, small, and mark. Then what is left over? This one is very important. Try to understand this. Okay. What is grouping? So can you just read these two paragraph? Read this paragraph.
Okay.
Read out. I will also listen. Right. You have to not read it by
The
your own.
div tag is used to ground other HTML contents together. The div element doesn't add or change the content of your HTML. Instead, its main purpose is to provide an uneasy way of targets and each group. To create a new div tag, simply surround group of HTML elements with opening and closing of div.
So what you understood by this?
Div tag can group certain elements together.
So what you understood from this? Okay, so to teach, to tell you to let you understand in a different way, see what we will do now. We will create two division. Okay, what is the importance of this div tag? You understand? Okay, so first of for example, so these div tags plays a very important role when we will use CSS. Okay, so for the time being, I will also tell you how we can use CSS. Okay, so you see, little bit I will tell you. So this is a paragraph tag, correct?
Yeah.
This is one more paragraph tag. These are two different paragraphs. So what we can do in CSS, we can use this paragraph tag names and we can apply some CSS property on them. Okay, are you
Okay.
getting my point?
Yeah.
So you see, I will remove this tag. I will remove this style from here now. Okay, what I will
Okay.
do, I will try to make it everything like this, look like this. But you see, as I have used this small tag here, so the R will be little bit small, and as I have used the mark tag here, so there will be some marking, right? But
Yeah.
now what I will do, I will try to give some background color to this paragraph and I will try to change the text color of this paragraph. Okay, so but what I want to do, I want to do this first, then I want to do this one. Okay,
Okay.
so basically when we apply some when we apply some properties in any CSS properties on any tag, first of all we have to write the name of the tag. Okay, so here what is the name of the tag? Then we have to give a curly bracket like this. We also call it flower bracket. So you see it carefully. Okay, can you see this?
Yeah.
So inside that, so first of all what I will do, I will change the font size. Okay, font size, then what I will do, I will write font size, then I will make it 30 pixel, let it be. Okay, so but you see what will happen here. So can you tell me what happened?
It made it bigger.
So it, see, I have applied only on p tag, but you see that both the tag increased, right?
Yeah.
So why this happened? Because both the things are written inside the same type of tag, that is p tag, right?
Yeah.
Then see, if I will try to apply some text color, I can also do that. I will use the color property and I will suppose I will use red. Okay, let me use red. So what will happen? Both the text will be converted into red. But is there any way so that I can write this text in different color and this text in different color?
You have to do that in HTML.
Okay, what I can do, either I will copy these two part and I will apply different styles to different paragraph, right? That is possible. That is also possible here, right? But there is also one more method, and using that method we can apply different style properties to different paragraph. Okay, and to do that, what we have to do, we have to use a division tag. Okay, what is that? Please repeat. We have to use a division tag. So for example, I will show you how interesting we can make things, right? Suppose we want to, let me copy something. Okay, I will write history of HTML. Wikipedia. So I will go here, HTML Wikipedia, and in this Wikipedia section, suppose I will copy this one. Okay, these 3-4 paragraphs, correct? I will copy these 4 paragraphs. Understood?
Yeah.
I will copy them, and what I will do, I will paste it here. I am deleting everything here. Okay, and I will create a paragraph tag. Okay, and I will create one more paragraph tag. And what I will do inside this, I will paste it. So what will happen? They will be inside. They will be like this. Correct? So you see why this is appearing, because we have used a tag and the name of the tag is input img. So we will not use these things. Okay. So I will write img space and input. Okay. Then there is a paragraph tag also. Okay. So now you see canvas also I will remove the closing bracket and I will remove the opening bracket. Okay. This one. So now you see, but they are not appearing in multiple paragraphs. Okay. So for that, let's do one thing. What you have to do? Did you remember?
BR tag.
Very good. So we will apply a BR tag. We will apply one more BR tag. Okay. So what will happen? A gap will be created. I will copy these two lines. What I will do, I will paste it. Control copy, Control V, Control V. Okay, so you see now how many paragraph I created? I created 4 paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I will ask you, can you just give different background color to different paragraph? See, even if I will use different paragraph, suppose I will close the paragraph here, okay? Then I will open a new paragraph here. Then I will close the paragraph where it ends, like here, okay? Okay.
Yeah.
Then again I will open the paragraph here. So by default, when we will open a new paragraph, so by default there will be gaps. And as we are giving some BR tag there, so it is automatically creating some gaps. Okay, so we will remove those gaps. Okay, because when we create new paragraph, when we create multiple paragraphs, then by default we will get some gaps in between them. Okay, so no need of BR tags. Understood?
Understood. Yeah.
Now you see, without even giving any BR tag, I can create multiple paragraphs. Okay, so I have done what? I have applied some paragraph properties to them, CSS properties them. So whatever property I will apply, all properties will be applied here. Okay, so if I will
Okay.
use this background color, if I will use this background color, suppose I will use a background color of yellow. So what will happen? Everywhere it will be applied. Okay, so all backgrounds will be having yellow color. Okay, so what we should do so that we can create different background for different text. Okay, pick different background for different
Inside the P
paragraph.
tag, but
What happened? Yes, tell me. Any idea?
inside the P tag. Yeah.
See, instead of doing it like that, what we will do, we will create some divisions. Okay, you see how interesting it is. So what we will do, we will create a division tag. Okay, so how to create a division tag? We will write div, then we will do what? We will write slash div. Okay, so divisions are basically done. Why we create division? These divisions are basically done to categorize elements. Okay, so what I will do, division has got a property, we call it class. Okay, so inside the division div class I will write, suppose I will give the class name as 1. Okay, then I will use this concept and I will try to apply this here. Okay, then I will paste it here. I will change the name to 2. Are you getting my point? What I am trying to do?
Yeah.
So I am trying to make some different division in the same page. Okay, so what will be the advantage of this? So the advantage of this I will tell you. Then I will go and write division class 3. So see, without doing this also we can do a lot of, without doing also this also we can change the division different paragraph, different properties, right? But I want to teach you this concept. That's why I am using this concept. Okay, because this is in the lesson 3, so I have to teach you this. That's why I am using this method. Okay,
Okay.
to let you understand what is the importance of this div. Understood? So you have to write slash div, correct? Then you see now we have got how many paragraphs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 paragraphs, right? So how many division we have created? Okay, we have created 4 divisions. Okay. Now you see what I will do, instead of writing paragraph, what I will do, I will close this, delete this. Oh, sorry. I will copy the content. Okay, because I need different colors and different paragraph properties, right? I will copy this, I will delete this, then I will write dot 1. Okay, then I will go here and I will paste this. So what will happen? Nothing has happened. Why so? What was the division class property I have given? Let me write it like this. So you see now the only that property was added only in first division, right? Then what I will do, I will write dot TWO2, then I will create a bracket, and inside that I will paste this content. And what I will do, I will change some different, I will make some different properties to them. Okay. Then I will
Okay.
make the color as blue, correct, and the background color as suppose cyan. Cyan is a very interesting color. So now you see, you will get a different things for the different paragraph. Okay. Then what I will do, I will select the third paragraph. Okay, dot 3. Like this I have to do, and I will go inside, I will paste them, and here I will increase the font size to 35. It will be little bit bigger now. Yes. Then the color I will give is, for example, I will give a white color to this text. Okay. And what I will keep the background color as blue, so that it will look prominent. The text will look prominent. Now you see, we have got a different color, background color and text color for the first paragraph, different background text color for the second paragraph, different background and different color for the third paragraph, right? So how we did that? We used the division properties. We try to divide the paragraph, 4 paragraphs into 4 different divisions. And then what we can do, we can apply different properties to the same paragraph tag. You see, all these things are written inside the same paragraph tag, right? The first paragraph has got paragraph, the second paragraph has also got paragraph tag, the third paragraph has also got paragraph tag, the fourth paragraph has also got paragraph tag. Okay. So this is the way you have to treat. Okay. Then you have to write dot 4. Okay. You have to write, and what I will do, I will make it very small. I will be writing 15 pixel, and the color I will be choosing is suppose, okay, let's use green, and the background color I will be using is pink. Okay, so let's see how it looks. So it looks like this. Okay, so we have created a page where we have kept 4 different paragraphs, and all the paragraph are having some different properties, right? For example, we can add some more properties also. For example, there is a align property, right? So what we will do, I will write text align, and in this text align, what I will do, I will apply left. So by default it is left. Okay, always we remember the text are by default align left. Then I will write text align, then I will write right. Then what I will do, I will give this, and I will write text align. So you see, when I am applying the right alignment, it is going to the right, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Then I will use text align, and I will make it center. So what will happen? It will go to the, it will start the center alignment like this. Okay. So if I will increase, you will see it is in the center alignment form. Then there is one more alignment, we call it justify. But justify is now it is applied or not, I don't know. Let's check this. Text align, ALIGN, then I will apply justify. Okay. So now you see, we have used 4 different. Yes, it is justified now. So what happens in justified? All the lines will end at the same point. Okay. So you see, when I'm using this justify, everyone is ending at the same point. Understood? But in this line, you see, no, all the lines are not ending at the same point. Okay. So it happens only when we apply the justify tag. This is known as alignment. So in this way, we can create very interactive web pages by just changing just applying different properties to different divisions. Okay. So where we basically apply this division concept? Are you listening to this, and you are not telling anything? You are keeping completely quiet.
No, sir, I'm listening, sir.
So you have to tell me yes or understood, because I was asked you after every sentence. I ask everything. Okay, and you
Oh,
please reply it. Okay. Otherwise, I will feel like that you are not. I am not audible to you. Understood? So for
oh,
that reason, you have to, in between that, you have to give some voice, so that I will understand that you are listening. Correct?
yeah.
Is that fine with you? Correct. Very good. So you see, basically where we apply these divisions. Okay. Basically, we do not apply divisions on multiple paragraphs. The division property is applied when we create very different types of web pages. For example, suppose I will open this Codeyoung web page. Okay. So if I will open this Codeyoung web page, you see it has got multiple division or multiple sections, right? So the
Yeah.
web page, inside the single web page, we have got different types of different web pages, right? So if I will click on about, it will take me to about us. If I will click on blogs, it will take me to the end of the page, that is blogs, right? Now blog has got a different page. So you see how we can create these things. So all these things are different divisions, right? And we are applying different properties to different divisions. So this is a classic example of creating divisions. If I will right click on this, if I will inspect this property, you will see everywhere there is division. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Understood now where we can apply the division?
Yeah. Understood.
Yes. So if I will click on, you see this, you will see that division properties here, right? You see the dotted lines. Can you see those
Yeah.
dotted things? That means this is in first division. You see the division here, it is the first division. Okay. If I will
Okay.
go, if I will click on this, and if I will go to this, so it will take me to this place. That means it is in the footer one. Okay. So in this way we can understand this. See, if I will click on this, it will take me to this place. Okay. And what I can do, I can change the image source. Okay, well, this image can be replaced now. So in this way we can see, we can check different website, and we can try to learn how the websites has been created. So always remember, whenever you are visiting a website, don't forget to go and inspect it. If you will inspect it, you'll be able to see all the HTML and CSS property which has been assigned there. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, very good. So let me close all these things. Yes. So this is about today's session. So what you have to do now, you have to stop. I will stop my screens here, and whatever things has been taught in the first 3 class, you have to execute them. Okay. So are you ready to listen?
Yes, sir.
Yep. So you share your screen first of all, please. So I will give you a topic. You have to search the internet. You have to think about some ideas, and you have to enter that. Okay. You have to use those ideas. Understood? So you have to create a page where you will be applying all the properties which you have discussed till date. Okay. That is in the last class and next to that class. Session 3 HTML text formatting you write. In that
Yeah.
session 3 HTML, in the title, you simply write HTML session 3 HTML text formatting. Okay. Very good. Correct. So first of all, write the structure of the HTML. So the topic for you today is, okay, you are in United Kingdom, right?
Yeah.
So you have to write uh, okay, you have to create a page about history of London. Okay.
Okay.
You can search it easily from the Google. So try to create a web page. No. See. Wait. Okay, you can copy that and try to delete whatever inside that, right? Very good. Good idea. I might appreciate this. Super. Yes, go there and try to delete. First of all, always increase. Whenever you are working on HTML part, increase the HTML part completely, okay? And decrease the divisibility part. Very good. Excellent. Then it will be easier for you to handle, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Start delete. No, first of all, you delete that part. Then you start deleting whatever is there, right? It will be easier for you. Very good. No need to delete. No need to delete it like this. You delete everything, then you try to add some new tag, okay? That is the way we have to handle. You delete whatever is there inside the body tag. Yes. Use shift and arrow button to also, you can use that shift and arrow. Yes. Press shift. See
Yeah.
how, yes. Delete it. Good. No, press, yes. Delete it. Very good. Delete that strong one. Correct. The title is correct. Very good. So now, first of all, what you have to do, you have to create a heading and you have to write London. Go inside the body, press enter.
Yeah.
Then you have to write London. In the inside that, give a H1 tag and write London. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. then?
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
Then you come down, create a paragraph.
Okay.
Create a paragraph and give an intro about London. Okay. So first of all, you use a H2 tag.
Okay.
Use H3. H3 will be good. H3 tag, and inside that you write introduction. What are you doing, Tradition? Yes, use the brackets. Yes, very good. Then you have to write what?
What do I have to write?
Introduction.
All right.
Very good. Then come down. Then try to use that. You try to find some data about London first of all. Okay, and copy them, and use a single paragraph. Okay, single introduction paragraph. Use a p tag and try to copy that part and paste it here. You go to that London Wikipedia. That will be easier for you.
Wikipedia isn't really that good.
No, we are not creating valid websites, right? We are just learning the content. We are not creating valid websites. These websites are not going to be used anywhere. We are learning. We are using it for learning purpose, because many websites won't allow you to copy their content. Okay, this is a free place where we can get some data and we can use them while learning the process. We are not creating website for a company, or we are not creating website to sell them. Okay, we are just creating the web page to we are creating the web page to learn our HTML, CSS, and JavaScript properties. So for that, you can definitely go for Wikipedia. Good, correct. Now you come down and create one more H3 tag and write history. No, a slash is different. No, you are using a different slash. Yes, be careful. Okay, very good.
Okay.
Well, superb. Then you go to that Wikipedia and try to find the history about London. There you might have found. Okay, come down. Okay, you come down. No, that one we will not. You use this one. Yes. Completely copy the whole paragraph. There are 4 paragraphs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are we need multiple paragraphs. You see where there is. You come down, come down. No, this is too far. Okay, you come down, come down little bit. Don't copy this. Wait for me. Wait for me. The place which I will tell you, you will copy that. Don't copy this. Come down little bit. Okay, you try to copy this one. Noman and medieval time. Okay, you come down, come little bit more down. Yes, this one you have to copy. Noman and medieval. Go up. Yes, Norman and medieval London. You try to copy the whole thing which is written here. Okay, good. Come down. Okay, copy this. Go back to code pen. Yes, be careful. Okay, you have selected some images also, so you have to be very careful. So use a paragraph. First of all, you create a normal paragraph. Yes, paste it. Good, very good. So what is going to happen? We will see this type of thing. Okay. So now you have to apply that concept which I taught you. Okay. So first of all, how to make them different paragraphs. You copy, you do one thing just before that. You made a yes. First of all, you use CP/P to make them paragraphs. Okay. Very good. Superb. So you copy that P tag and simply paste them at the opening and at the closing. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
No. There only you can do. Don't use there. You leave it gap like that so that you can apply the div tag there only. Okay. You cut that, you copy that and delete this from there. Leave a gap for the timing. You delete it from there. Have you copied that? Now you paste it in line number 13. Leave that line number 12 blank.
Okay.
Yeah. No. Why are you not using that P tag just in front of that in? It is possible to use the P tag in front of the paragraph. Okay. No need to use it just above that paragraph. You will use that just where it starts. Correct. Add it. Just continue this process. Okay. Where the line starts, you just try to add it there. Very good. Superb. Okay. Continue this process. Correct. Good. Very good. Excellent. Okay. So now what you have to do, you have to apply different properties, style properties, right? So how to do that? First of
Div.
all, you go inside that CSS. Okay. I told you how to do that. You go inside that CSS, go there. Okay, try it. Even though it is not here, but you are quite old and you will understand these things. Okay. So is it fine with you, or I should not teach you these things?
What thing, sir?
These CSS properties now?
It's fine. Yeah, it's okay.
Yes. Good. So now you write body, go inside that CSS and write body, because we are trying to apply some CSS property in the body tag. Okay. Press enter.
Okay.
Then you use that curly bracket, that flower bracket we call also. Yes, press enter. Then give a background color to the whole body. Which color you want to give?
Um, is it colon, sir?
It is correct. Which color you want to give? You give your color of your choice.
Mhm.
Whatever you want to give, you can give. Okay. See, I will now give you a very interesting part. Okay. Yes, it is looking good. Aqua is a beautiful color. Superb. Okay, you go for that.
Is it? Sorry, sir.
Okay. Understood? No,
Yeah.
don't give text color, because we will give text color to different one. Okay. Okay, you give a semicolon there only. Delete that text color. You simply give a semicolon there. Okay. That's all. Okay. Do you and okay, that much is okay. Okay. Now you come down and try to give some properties on those London one. Okay. You come down. So where you have written that London? Tell me.
Yeah.
Under which tag you have written London?
Um, H1.
Very good. So you have to use that H1 tag in CSS. Go to CSS and try to use that H1 tag. Are you understanding what I mean to say?
Yeah.
Okay. Press enter. Go down. Then you write H1. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Press enter again. You very good. Excellent. So now you have to use a background color, a color, and you have to underline it. Okay. Okay. First of all, you try to underline that in that H1 tag inside that HTML. Okay. Here also
Oh,
you can
yeah, yeah.
underline. I will tell you how you can underline using CSS also. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. COLOR colon.
Okay.
Okay. Give a dark color. Let it be blue.
Yeah.
Good. Semicolon.
Oh, yeah.
Press enter. Then give a text color. Azure color will look good. COLOR. No, text color is written only using color. No
Oh,
need to write text. Yes, I told you last class also, right? Anyways,
right.
so try to complete color. Very good. Then you have to write which color you want to give. Azure. AZURE. Azure will look little bit shiny. Okay, you can see there. Okay, you try to use Azure. AZURE. Okay, good, correct. Semicolon. Then you bring it to the center. How you will bring it? You write text hyphen align. Okay,
Okay.
colon. Make it 50 pixel. It will look good.
Okay.
Okay, good, very good. Center, superb. No, always give a semicolon. Okay,
Oh,
it is
yeah.
not required in HTML, but it is mandatory in CSS. Okay. Then you have to use underline property. See how to underline it. I will tell you. You write text hyphen style and give a colon and write underline. It is not happening. Okay, I think it is not allowing. So you have to underline that inside that HTML. You delete this line. Okay. And here you just use that property font size. You write font size, press enter and write font size.
Yeah.
You make it 50 pixel.
Okay.
Correct. Excellent. Give a semicolon. So it will look right. Okay. Correct. Then you underline it there only. Super. Excellent. Producer.
Okay.
Good. Slash it.
Yeah.
No, what you did?
Okay.
What you did?
I don't know. Oh,
Close that. Yes. Correct. Super. Very good. Now you go to the CSS and try to apply all the wherever you have used that H3 tag. Try to apply some CSS property upon them also. You come down, come up, and go to click on that place, press enter and press that H3 and try to copy all these things. Okay, but we
yeah.
will use different colors to them. Okay, press that, give those curly bracket and copy whatever you have used. Copy those properties which you have used in that H1 tag. Excellent. Good. Now try to paste in between. Yes, good. Make the background color to white and text color to blue, or azure and blue. You make it white. Okay, it's okay. White and the color should be blue. We will interchange that only, right?
Yeah.
Good. Yes. And the text size will be 30 pixel. Okay, it will be quite big, 50 pixel.
Okay.
Yes. And the text alignment should be right. Introduction should appear in the right part. History should also appear in the right part. Okay,
Okay.
so that you will learn what is happening. Okay, very good. Okay, understood?
Yeah.
Correct. Now you come down. Now what we will do, you go to that HTML first of all. Okay, and wherever you have created the division, try to apply different class to them. Okay, first
So
of
I
all you
haven't
try.
created division yet.
Very good. You go to the history part first of all.
Okay.
You go to history, then below that H3 press enter.
Yeah.
Yes, create the division here. Div, you write div tag. It is a tag. Okay, div. Then you write class is equal to, give a space and write, give a space and write class is equal to. Okay, you write first of all you write P1. That will be paragraph 1, right? and you copy this line, it will be required. Okay, PO1, not it is P1 only. You delete
PO1.
that.
That's what
Okay,
I.
if you want to keep it, you keep it, not an issue.
Sir, I
Any
have
name,
put.
no, any name you can give. There is no rule to give some name. Okay, any name you want to give, you can give.
Okay.
Just you need to differentiate them. Okay, so first of all, you write slash div first of all, then you copy paste this. Okay, just above that, you have to close the division. Okay, after the paragraph, you have to close the division. So just above that, you have to write slash div. Understood what I mean to say?
Yeah.
Good. It is V tradition. Good. Then here you have to write P02, PO2,
Yeah.
or it is O or 0, it is O. So change the division class to PO2.
Yeah.
Very good. Also close the division. Correct. Excellent. Then you have to create one more division. You have to continue this process. Okay. You continue like this. So anything will not be reflected in this. Whenever you will write these things in the HTML part, nothing is going to be reflected in the HTML. Okay. When we will give some different tag properties to them, then it is going to be reflected. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes. Good. So you continue like this way. Okay. See, you committed a big mistake. So in that line number 17, go to the top. In the line number 17, you have created div 3, PO3, right? And in 19, you see you have created PO1. Yes. So be careful. Okay.
Mhm.
Very good, Pudison. Absolutely. Superb. No, not there. Yes, there. Sorry. Use slash div. Correct. Continue this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. So can you tell me,
Yeah.
okay, why they came to the left? Okay. Okay. Why you change that text? I just want to let you know how the right works, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
In that H3, you try to change that text align left to right. Okay.
Okay.
How it changed? You changed that or what? Or it got changed automatically?
I changed it.
Okay. Understood.
Mm.
Now you see we have created 11 divisions, right? Then what we will do, we will try to apply different colors to them. Okay. Come to the top, come to CSS. Yes. Come down. Yes. Then you write dot Dot will be used when we will access that class. I have to use dot. Dot
Dot.
p0 po1.
Okay.
Press enter, then give that bracket. Copy these properties. Whatever properties you have used in that h1 or h3, you copy them. Good. Very good. Paste it. Yes. Now you delete. You do one thing. You do one thing. You delete that property, right? You make that text align justify. I just want to tell that you make that text align justify, and
Justified.
yes, justify, justify, justify,
Okay.
justify, correct. Then you make the font size 25 pixel or 20 pixel will look good. You make it 20 pixel,
Yeah.
correct. Now you have to use your own color. Whatever color you want to use, you use. You give a background color to that. You give a text color, different color. So
Okay.
you have got 11 one, right? So you have to give 11 different color. So now I will share you a link. Okay, so from where you can find 140 color names. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, wait, I am giving it, I am sharing it with you.
Mm.
Okay, can you access your chat box?
Yeah. One second.
Yes, you go to the chat box and open that link.
Okay.
Close this. Yes. So you agree? Yes. You see, go to the top, go to the top. Once you go to the top of the page, go to the top of the page, don't go to the bottom. See, there are some options: picker, convert, chart, and names. Go to those names. Click on those names. Then click on that HTML color names. Very good. So now you will see different types of color names on different color group. For example, in red, you will find different types of red color. In blue, you will find different types of blue color names. Okay.
Yeah.
So try to use different colors because we have got 11 paragraphs, 11 divisions. So be fast and try to complete this. Okay. At least
Okay.
try to complete the first 5 paragraphs, and you
Yeah.
can do that in your homework. You can complete the rest paragraphs. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Very good.
Sir, are you going to take the 7 minutes that we missed?
What?
You came late 7 minutes. So are you going to take those 7 minutes?
No. The class is for 55 minutes. Okay. We give extra 5 minutes to the student if the student is unable to complete the class. Okay. So I
Oh,
started the class at 10:37, right?
yeah.
So the class will continue till 11. How much? 11:32. So in between that, if you are unable to complete, then I will move that to 11:37. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, that is the thing. See, the thing is that class hour is not that important. If I am skipping some concept, if I am not giving you time to complete your work, then you should tell me that I have not got the appropriate time. Okay. There are some sessions which will take only 20 minutes to complete. Are you getting
Yeah.
my point? But we give the student 1 hour session because what happens? Some students are very slow. You are quite old, right? But there are students who are taking sessions in the age of 6 years and 7 years. Understood? So
Oh,
for
yeah. Yeah.
them, it is 1 hour. Okay. For you students, it is 55 minutes or 50 to 55 minutes. Because we have got, after your class, I have got one more class, right? So we should be also given some time in between that class. Okay. So
Okay.
you are always informed to take the class for 50 to 55 minutes. But if the student does not complete that on time, then we give them that 1 hour slot. Understood?
Good.
So if you are not completing, then you can take your time. Okay, you do it slowly. I am not telling you to do it first. Complete it. I have to go and I have to take one more class. It is not like that.
Okay.
Yeah, correct.
Sorry.
It's okay. You take your time and do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm. Oh,
See. Always change the PO dot PO3 you have used. You now you have to going to apply that for PO4, right? First of all, change that one, then change the other one. Otherwise, you will be again confused like that previous one, right?
yeah,
Very
yeah.
good. Very good. Correct. Continue.
Yeah, we done.
Good.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
What happened? You
I
continue.
done, sir.
Continue. If you want
No,
to
no,
take
no.
the no, I have no class after this. Okay, you continue. Continue.
Oh, right. Okay.
Let's yes. Let's try to finish this. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Correct. Correct. You are a nice guy actually. Okay. I just tell you. You take things very seriously. Don't take them. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So which was the last one you completed? 6. Very good. 7. Then you have to go for 8. Okay. Great. Super. So one of my student is there. His name is Sunny. Okay. I
Okay.
think he is from South Korea or some China, right? But he is staying in United States.
Oh, is
So
it?
yes. He was learning HTML from some different teacher. Okay. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Right now he is learning Python from me. So
Okay.
what he has done? He has completed his web development course.
Hmm.
Now he is trying to create a web page for his dad, for his family business. His family has
Hmm.
got a business. They sell donuts, right?
Right.
Yes, they have a shop which sells donut. So what he is doing, using those concepts which he has learned in the class, he is creating a page. Okay.
That's amazing.
Yes, you can also do that.
Yeah.
He is of your age only. You are
Oh,
in
wow.
you are in year 8, right?
Yeah.
He is in year 8 also.
Wow. Okay.
Yes. So there are a lot of amazing students. Okay. So if you tell them something, they are just simply going to use them in a different way. They are very
Yeah.
smart.
Yeah.
Yes. Today's kids are very smart, right?
Yeah.
Because from the beginning you are seeing internet. We don't have those chance to do.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Correct. Okay. This much is okay, right? So you see how it is
Yeah.
looking now.
It looks much better.
Yeah. So now I will give you a homework. Okay. So can you just think of a topic?
Um, Computer.
Okay. Computer science. You use the topic computer science. Okay. Don't use computers only.
Okay.
Computer will be only a hardware, right? Computer science is all about hardware and software, right?
Okay.
So you search about computer science and create a beautiful page. Okay.
Okay.
Then what I will do on that session, I will in the next session I will tell you about. See, now you stop your screen. I will share my screen. Okay, I will need to tell you some important thing. You stop your screen share, you try to complete this also. So let me tell you in next 5 classes what we are going to learn. Okay, that's why I told you. So in here now in session 3, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let me delete all those things. Correct. So now we will go to session 4. In session 4 you will find you have to complete a mini project. Okay, so what I will do, I will use this one as your mini project, that one you have created today. So try to
Yeah.
complete it. Okay, try to give all the properties. You try to use some underline property, try to use some italic properties, try to use some bold properties. Okay, wherever you feel like, subscript, superscript. And what else we have discussed? We have discussed about strong tag, we have discussed about mark tag, then we have
Yeah.
discussed about what? We have discussed about group tag. Group means a small tag, large tag. Okay, so
Yeah.
try to apply whatever thing has been taught to you in the last 3 classes, and try to apply that, so that I will don't want to waste your time in this class, because we have already done this in this class, right? Understood? Or you want to go for this? Here only you have to use. See, today you will be creating a project about our favorite sport. In it you have to create a web page solving some of the major leads, like grouping should be done using division tag. You have done that, correct? Heading tags h1 to h3 should be used properly. You have done that. For content, you give description, history, rules, and famous player of that sport. Use paragraph tag. You have done that. Different tags like bold. You have to use these things only. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Are you not listening to me?
No, no, I'm listening.
I cannot hear you properly. I think you are not in your bench.
Hello, sir.
Yes. So you see, you have to. We have already completed these things. Okay. So you have to use only these things to complete this project. Okay. So I will
Yeah.
make it as the mini project 1. This will be your first mini project. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because I don't want to waste the time. I don't want to waste your time in the same thing again and again and again. So
Yeah.
this is your
Okay.
session 4. Okay. And
Yeah.
next in session 5, we will be learning about phrase text. Okay. So I will be discussing about this one in the next class. Correct?
Yeah.
How to create quotation, how to create site tag. This is very interesting. You will try to learn this thing in the next class. Then we will create a small web page using this content also. Okay.
Okay.
After that, we are going to discuss this one, how to add images and tables. Okay, from now onwards the classes will be very interesting. Okay, the
Yeah.
first
Okay.
5 classes are little bit boring for you old students like you, but those who are younger, those who are kids, they will enjoy colors, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
You tell them to add different colors, they will do this throughout the day. Okay, without any
Yeah.
boring. But we feel bored, right? You are quite
Yeah.
young. Oh yes, correct. Anyways, so bye bye, take care. It was
Okay.
a night session with you today, son. Hope you have enjoyed that also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
take care.
Thanks, sir.
Yes, most welcome.